This is going to be the glass elevator at the Dillard store in the Franklin Park Mall in Toledo, Ohio. Watch it come up. Here it comes. Sounds like we got the motor here. This deserves 2 rides. I can already tell by now. I'm gonna go on my own down this one.
Okay. Do you need to go to the restroom?
No, this deserves 2 rides.
When you come out, go that way.
1. Okay. Here, 1. Here for 2. Go to 2. Here we go. Wow. Going down?
Yeah. Yes, going down.
This thing's, the motor in this is amazing. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, let's look down.
Here we go.
Whoa!
Installed. Not sure when this was installed.
A long, long time ago.
Yeah, I bet so.
Whee!
Here, 1.
You making a video?
Yeah, oh, I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Very cool. Are we here? Yep.
Takes forever to level. There you go.
Right,
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Go back. I'm right behind
I
you.
want to see your video.
Have a good day.
Thank you.
Go back up to 2.
Have a nice video.
Thanks, and we'll listen to the motor. Beautiful elevator. Older innovation. Non-ADA compliant phone. There you go.